Hey, my juicy fruits. Thank y'all for being here. I'm Sweet Juicy. We're in Uptown, which is in Cedar Hill, which is in Dallas, Texas. So we're over here earlier at the Miss A, like a beauty store, like a dollar beauty store. And we went to the H&M. So we decided to stop in this Windsor. When I saw these pretty dresses in the window, I was like, let me stop over here because this is a store I hadn't saw over here before. I hadn't paid attention to. So I wanted to go in here and check things out. So I'll go ahead and tell you, you can tell by the look of the store. It has the H&M look, so you know that it's not going to be like discounted like our discount stores. But if you're looking for something, you should be able to find several sizes of whatever you're looking for. The price may be a little more expensive, but sometimes you want to run in somewhere and find exactly what you need. And so this store, I think, is one of those kind of places. So it looks like they have lots of fun, youthful, sexy items. So I'm here for it. This dress here is $59.90. Oh, it's a pants set with the lacy top. And here's something in the window that's a hot girl, baby. Yes. It's shorts with the lacy little look and the lacy top to go with it. So we're going to be moving and grooving in here pretty fast. I just wanted to see what was in here. And it was a lot of cute things. But since we're frugal with our findings, we know we could find some of these things that's in here. We could also find at Shein or Fashion Nova, places like that. So if we have time, we can see what's in here, and then we could try to find it other places. So you could just take a picture of these items, and then you could like on Shein, I think they still have that. You can put, go to their search bar, and at the end of the search bar, I think, is a camera. And so you can just take a picture of it, and you can put up that picture, and then they'll show you things that they have that look like whatever you like. Also, Google has that feature too. When you go to the Google search bar, there's a camera, and so when you push the camera, then it'll put up the pictures that's in your list, and then you can just touch the picture that you want Google to find the item like, and it could also show you other places that have that item. So then you could find that item maybe exactly for a cheaper price, or a similar item for a cheaper price. The same item or a similar item. So it's several things in here that I liked. Like this corset top. Now this is not the best top for a person that has small boobs, but I always like these tops. So they are cute. This one is $42.90. That pair of shorts. And so we see stuff like this that's also at rainbow shops. So we'll be doing a rainbow video coming up in a few days. There's a pretty leopard mini skirt, kind of flared out style. It's $29.90. So we know we could probably get that for maybe $10 to $12, maybe $15. So kind of like half the price that it is in here. But sometimes, again, like I say, when you're on the move, you need to get something right now, and you need a specific size. In this store, see, they might have 2 or 3 where you can find the size you need. But also, like in rainbow shops, same thing for lesser price. But also some different things. So it's just good to have options, right?
Mm-hmm.
So thank y'all for stopping to view Windsor with me, tour Windsor, because I don't believe I've ever been in this store. If it's in the mall, I probably didn't go in here either. If it was in here and I was in the mall, I probably chose to go to Forever 21 or something like that. So, and then we're gonna get back here where they have a in quotations, a $7 rack, but it's not the kind of $7 we think. I was like, oh, they got a $7 rack, and just looking from the clothes on there, it's like, oh. But then when you get up close, it's a hoe. They tricked us. That's a cute little outfit. So y'all see how they have all kind of cutesy, sexy, girly stuff. So many pieces that I like. This is cute. Baby, this is cute with these big sequins. They have big sequins and little sequins. This with the rhinestones. Yes, baby, they have all the glitz and glam. Can't you see somebody walking and shimmy dimming in that? Name Sweet Juicy. Yes, serving. And this little cute top, oh, just perfect with the right set of boobs. And then put on a little skirt there. I don't know if it's a skirt that goes with that or not. That's $32.90. Have anybody that's watching, have y'all been in this store in the Windsor? They have lots of cute little odds and ends. I'm not sure exactly what this is. If y'all know what this is, then y'all tell me. Thought it was a keychain, but it looks like it's something else. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming in. Welcome. And to my loyal subscribers that's been here, hey y'all. Hey my juicy fruits. Thank y'all for thumbsing up the video. Consider subscribing to the channel. So over here, we do store walkthroughs. We usually go to stores like Diddy's Discount, Ross, Burlington, Marshall, City Trends, Rainbow, or if we buy something online like from Shein, Temu, or Fashion Nova, places like that, then we do a haul. I'm a licensed hairstylist, so you can catch me in the salon doing hair on some videos, or either seeing us live in the salon after I get off work. Some of the other stylists still may be working. Sometimes they're already gone, but I'll go live from the shop on occasion. And I exercise daily, so you can catch me on the channel doing at least one live exercise daily, mostly in the mornings, anywhere from 9 to 11 Central Standard Time. Sometimes later, sometimes early. I don't have a set time just yet. And yes, I exercise every day. It's every day for over 12 years, starting November 5th, 2012. Yeah, so we love the Lord over here, so you can catch us also live at church on Sundays and Monday night for Monday school. Well, some Mondays, but definitely on Sundays. So we would love to have you here to join us. And of course, we have other various outings from time to time. Restaurants and, or just outings. Different kind of events or whatever may be going on. Not show enough events, but, just little around the town things. Birthday gatherings, housewarmings, just whatever be happening. We have a nice, good, wholesome time over here, but it's wholesome, but we do have fun. You know what I'm saying? So it's good, positive energy around here, uplifting, encouraging, inspiring, and we'll strike out in a prayer in a minute, but we'll turn up some good R&B and maybe a little hip hop sometimes too. We on our Jesus journey, and it's a journey, y'all. As you can see, how I'm here looking at these, what they would call hot girl clothes, because this is what I like. My channel's name is Sweet Juicy's Athleisure Life, because I 90% of the time wear athletic wear. So, athletic wear like workout clothes and all that. But I do all my things in my clothes. Church, sometimes out. I'll just put them on with heels, whatever. We just take it from day to night to the gym, however. Here's that little skirt we saw in the window. I think. So, there's some more dresses we saw in the window on the other side. I may not have taken y'all over there, but I noticed those dresses were in the window. Okay, y'all see how it says $7 sale? So I'm like, well, these are some nice pieces. But when you see that sale tag, baby, it's not 7. It said $39.87, like with a 7 on the end. Like what? It's not just $7. You see how the red tag? $39.87. It's not $7 sale. Or maybe it is. Because it seems like when you see that sign that says $7, you think it's going to be $7. Unless maybe you have to take it to the front and get ready to pay for it, and then it's $7. But I don't know. Because all those red tags were saying something, but with the 7 on the end. So If you ever shop Windsor, or if y'all want to call Windsor and ask them about the $7, why y'all say it's $7 when it ain't really $7? And again, I could be wrong. It might be. Y'all see that $7 tag? Maybe it is $7. Just you just got to take it to the register. But why would they? I don't know. Cause at Rainbow, when it's $7, it have $7 on it. So like this one said $15, and I guess I didn't look at the dress to see if they were 15 on the tag, cause I may have been outdone. Like what? Okay, let's see if we're gonna look at this tag. I didn't look at no more tags. I guess I just started looking at the clothes. Well, I did look at the tag, but apparently it's not saying 7, y'all. If you work at Windsor, if you know how Windsor works, please let us know in the comments, because I don't want to be giving them a bad rap if that's not what that is. And since I didn't take it to the register, and this specific day when I was in the store, I could have took it to the register and asked them. I could have just asked one of the salespeople, people that work there. But I just wasn't feeling myself that day. And to be in this type of store, I was not feeling, up to being in this type of store the way I was looking. So I kind of wanted to hide. And I wasn't even using my big tripod or nothing. I had my little one. And so I was just kind of touring the store just a little bit. Touring the store, just trying to see what was what the prices look like. And I know this is a short video, but I almost wasn't gonna post it. But I was like, maybe somebody wants to know. You might feel like you don't want to go in this store, but you would like to know what's in here. So now you can kind of see from me going, so you don't have to, or so now you can go. And I'd be willing to go back in here too. If I needed something, last spur of the moment. I know they have a few pieces in here that I like. Here's something like these could be prom dresses. If the girls still wear these kind of prom dresses. I know mostly stuff is very short and very naked now. It's different from back in my day. Y'all know. Here is a birthday girl what you call it? A sash? Drape? I don't know what it's called, y'all. So it's real cute. It's real cute girl in here, and there was some ladies in here. A couple of ladies, I guess they were friends. They was like, they don't have no extra smiles. I was like, okay then. Okay, extra smiles. And they were so petite and so cute. I think this is the dress we saw in the window also when I first came in. And it's cute there, but how they had it in the window, on the mannequin, looks so much cuter. And I think we're going to see one on the wall. Okay, yeah, down here. How she has it draped up with the jacket. It looks better on the body than it does on the hanger, on the mannequin, or probably a natural body. Do y'all know what these are? Those keychains? I guess they are keychains. Maybe the little black thing is on there so you can't steal them out the store. I don't know. Here's some little sleepwear. So y'all, let me know if y'all saw anything in here that y'all liked. And have y'all been in Windsor? And if y'all did y'all go to one that was in the mall? Because we're in like the uptown area, the uptown shopping area in Cedar Hill, which is Dallas. So it's not inside of a mall, but it's like, it's outside shopping, but it's a big area. It's so pretty in here. Such pretty big mirrors that I did not want to be a part of. Y'all see me? Y'all see all the mannequins? They're so pretty. And so this, on my way out the door, this is the top that I would have liked. This right here. And yeah, I would have liked that corset type. Then I could wear like a good kind of bra to sit up in those, in the breast area. And like you can wear it off the shoulder. I don't know. It's kind of cute. And look at this pretty heart purse made out of pearls. $18.90. We're gonna look right here in the Shein and see, can we find that? So I'm gonna press this. And let's see how it's pulling up us different things. Well, let's see. Let's see. This one looks like it more, but we want to try. I like this one better. Even though this one is better, it's different. But see how we have different choices now because we shopping somewhere else, so we can see what this one looks like. So I just want to see, even though I was doing this for a demonstration, I still want to see what this one looks like. Let's see, 1270. And let's see what it looks like. Yeah, this is more my style, kind of flare out, short but flare out. So I like this even better than the one we were seeing. So this is just my little example of how you can find something else. See something, you can take a picture of somebody that's wearing something, screenshot something that somebody's wearing on your favorite, movie or TV show or in person, and then look for it somewhere else. Or if you don't know that person, people are always sneaking pictures of people and stuff like that, which that's not something that I would do. But people do it all the time. They want to see a shoe or see something, and you just take a picture of it and you go and try to see, can you find it without having to ask the person. You may be able to find it. Okay, y'all, I hope that little demonstration helps. If y'all want me to show y'all more through a thorough video, I will. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.